Morning, here's some info back in your start time with me. Significantly breaking you the latest and most reliable news. Motorcycle left has once again disturbed society. This time involving a Honda Beat motorcycle stolen on Jalan Ikhlas Pasir Putih, Kampar on Sunday afternoon, February 8, 2026. The perpetrator caught on CCTV took advantage of the fluid situation to commit the crime while the victim was at home. Based on the CCTV footage, inspectors that encountered a situation before stealing the motorcycle. We can see that the number 2496 LCD, which was parked in front of the victim's house. As a result of this incident, the victim suffered a loss and case has been reported for further investigation by the police. The video on the perpetrator is currently going viral on social media. Police urge residents to be more vigilant, especially by using double locks when parking vehicles placed in open areas.
At the time of the incident, I was inside the house cooking in the kitchen and did hear anyone outside. I realized my motorbike was missing when I was about to go to the shop. I saw it was gone in front of the house. After that, I immediately checked the house CCTV and found two people lurking around the motorbike in front of my house. I found the pair of scissors that had fallen on the porch.
That concludes this morning summary of events. Stay tuned for further information. I, Dini Fitriani, take my leave and see you later.